Hey everyone, here to show you some of our promo or retail items. So here is an example of some custom branded rolling paper booklets or promo packs. So these have pre-rolled cones inside. So all these items are great to either give away at trade shows, networking events, or to sell at retail. If you're a dispensary, put your own brand on here. If you're a lifestyle brand, come up with a nice brand that resonates with customers and have these available at dispensaries or head shops. So we have all sorts of paper types or custom branding options. Here we have filter tips with our organic hemp paper, and you could also have your logo printed on these as well. Here's an example of a larger paper size. This is the king size with our refined white paper, plain white tips. Again, these could actually come in a variety of colors, red, blue, yellow, whatever matches your brand. We can create that and print your logo on it. And then here's a really nice magnet and tips pack. This is a promo pack of cones here, so of course this is our branding, but when you order this, this would all be your branding both on the box and the cones inside come custom branded. This is an example of a 6-pack, so there'll be 6 half-gram cones in here, but we could also do 1 or 2 packs, and if it's a 3-pack, you just have 3 big cones in here. So this is another 6-pack, but this has an example of some embossing, which is really nice, as well as the gold foiling here. If you're selling these at retail, you might want to upgrade and get a display box, so all your custom branding on here as well, and the promo packs would be inside. So this is a nice little impulse item to put right next to the point of sale. If you're a dispensary and selling, let's say, other brands of cones, why not put your brand out there, put your dispensary logo all over this display box, on the cones inside and on the little boxes. The rolling paper booklets also do come with a display box, of course. This folds up with a nice little flap, so you could have your logo here and put that behind the counter as well. If you need any help designing, we also have a team here of experts, and we know the pre-roll industry and the rolling paper industry, the whole cannabis industry incredibly well, so we can help you design the perfect packaging to match your branding or expand your branding. If you have any questions or need samples, please visit us at www.customconesusa.com. Thanks.
Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out the other videos on this page. Comment below with any questions and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all our new products. We at Custom Cones USA are your pre-roll experts.